Hi, Anna from Weekdone here, and in these videos we discuss OKR challenges and how to fix them. Here comes the question of the day. My team is skeptical about OKRs. We've been working with them for 6 months, but it feels like extra work and doesn't seem to bring any benefits. Is there a way to make it engaging? The answer to this question is going to be a sequence of steps in a specific order, so it's better to write them down. If what you're currently doing for goal setting hasn't been working for 6 months, it's time to take a step back because something needs to change in your workflows and how you approach this. Most probably, what needs to change is the quality of the discussion that you're having when you're drafting your OKRs. So, step one, organize a small group of leaders or team managers to write down the problems that you think your business is currently experiencing. Phrase questions around those problems. What do you know, what you suspect, and what you think you're missing in terms of information or in terms of potential opportunities? Put all of these questions into a document and make it readable. Step two, create a cross-functional discussion group, share the document with the people and invite them to add their thoughts or bullet points. Step three, analyze people's responses and choose the main themes that everyone is leaning toward. Then ask what can be done about it right now. Step four, work together on developing actionable OKRs. It's better if they're cross-functional. For example, getting marketing, product, sales teams to work together. Step five, implement bi-weekly sprints to commit to top 3 initiatives per team and get them done. Analyze what can be done better during sprint meetings every 2 weeks. We have a separate video on this topic. Try to follow this exact process very consciously for at least 2 cycles and then it will stick. The first time, the discussion process will take around 2 weeks, so don't rush it and make sure each discussion session is no longer than an hour. So in a nutshell, it's all about involving people in the discussion process and helping everyone internalize your strategic vision. Last point, super important. Your OKR should be the most urgent priority, so don't have more than 2 OKRs per team. And don't go changing the priorities every 2 weeks based on hunch. Everyone needs to know exactly why these objectives are important and what success means for this quarter. And remember, if one person writes OKRs for every team in the company, the OKR process will never be engaging. I hope this helps, but let us know if you have any questions that you would like us to cover in the next videos of the same series.